You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Make a great choice today with 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.